Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to issue a partial refund on eBay. If this is your first time using eBay, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, to create an eBay account, you can choose between a personal or business account. Simply provide your full legal name, email, and password. To streamline the process, consider signing up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Now, let's discuss what a partial refund on eBay entails. This option allows sellers to return some of the payment for an item to the buyer, while the buyer keeps the item, avoiding a full return process. Partial refunds are particularly useful when addressing issues such as product defects or delivery problems, which can help appease dissatisfied customers. For instance, if the item is slightly damaged but still functional, a partial refund might be more appropriate than a full one. To issue a partial refund, navigate to your eBay account. Note that interfaces might vary. I'm using the standard eBay interface, while yours might be different if you're using the Seller Hub or a mobile device. To proceed, go to your Selling or Summary section, depending on your setup. Click on Selling and locate the active or sold items list. Find the specific item for which you want to issue a refund. Click on the listing, and you'll see the option to send refund. Clicking this will open a window where you can specify the refund amount. Remember, this is a partial refund. Additionally, you can include a note to the buyer explaining the partial refund, which can help maintain a positive relationship and potentially prevent negative feedback. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.